Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to play YouTube music in the background, which means when you lock your phone so that your background music also being played in the background. But if you are not a YouTube premium subscription, then it will be not be it will be difficult for you to watch play the music in the background. So if you want to play the music in YouTube music in the background, what you have to do, you have to simply open the music here, and after that if you click on upgrade here, you can simply find YouTube premium music premium version. So here you can also see that these are the offers which you can get after switching it to the premium version, which means you can simply play it in the background. For example, if you click on icon and after that you can simply click on get premium music, then you will find many of the option available. Here is the written download, offline, listen, and you can simply play in the background. But if you do not want to use it, so how you can get that play background option? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Chrome browser, and here what you have to do, you have to simply open a new tab, and here what you have to do, you have to simply search for YouTube music, and after that you can simply go for YouTube music, and here you can simply play any kind of YouTube music on Chrome browser by simply in the background. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on that. But if I click on YouTube music, it again open the app. For this, you have to make sure that it doesn't open the app, and after doing that you can simply shift it to the desktop site mode, and after that you can simply use that in the picture and picture mode. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.